Govee is stepping into a new territory, and they are not alone. They are doing a partnership with Evangelion to release this gaming wall light for you guys. You guys know that I have tested multiple light panels on this channel, but this one is different. Hi everyone, Marcus here from madpack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. And today we are going to do the unboxing of this gaming wall light that I have to say, just by the look of this box, is super premium and super special, and I didn't want it to open on my own. So let's open this because I have it already for a while, but I definitely wanted to do this with you guys because it looks super interesting, top secret. I have to say that, wow, it is insane, has an experience, and obviously for the price that you pay, I'm expecting that. So after you take the first layer, you can see that we are talking about a very special product that we have in here. I'll be opening in a second, but just showing you the box in all the different corners. It looks super fancy, and I like even the logo here on the back. Opening this, you open from the center, and once again, I simply love it. Inside the package, you'll find some of your manuals that is not really relevant in here. You'll find on the top these 4 layers. I have to say, first of all, that I really like the material. I really like that they have this matte finish, and I like the combination of purple with green, and if you've seen my keyboard, definitely you know that I like that. So the first layer that you have is this piece of plastic that you have a bit of design in here on the corners, so definitely a plus. It feels really premium. It doesn't feel cheap. And after you have the second layer, that is these LEDs that they are raised, okay, and you have here this portion here that you can remove and basically put different designs. So if you are not happy with this one, you can put a different one and you can purchase that separately. And the fourth layer is obviously the bottom part that you have all your LEDs on the inside. So let's take this first layer of LEDs and see what is on the bottom. So when we look a little bit closer in here, you'll find some accessories that we'll see a little bit closer. You have these 2 adapters, so you have a shape in square and triangle that I'll show to you guys a little bit closer. You have the charger, 2 other parts exactly like the other one that I showed to you guys, and the remote. So these 2 adapters will allow you to do different types of designs. So obviously you'll be able to connect 4 with the square, and you'll be able to connect 3 with the triangle, and that will allow you to do different types of curvatures like it happened here on the wall with my nanolith light. When we talk about the remote, it's exactly the same remote that we've seen on the light strip that we showed last week. It have also this transparent look on the edges. It's a little bit harder to see on this design because it's black. I don't like the fact that the logo of Govee is more visible in here than it is on the white one, but it's just a question of preference. On the bottom, you'll find obviously the 3DM tape. The connector is the same that you find obviously on the normal connectors from Govee. And here is the part that you will be connecting to the rest of the designs. And I like the fact that even here you have this personalization, but I have to say that this part here feels a little bit more plasticky, something that I don't like so much, but I really like that is all branded, not just for Govee, but also to this different type of look that they wanted to create with this partnership. The charger, once again, is definitely not small, and when you have so many lights like I have in my house, that's definitely something that you would like to see different on future products, because otherwise you just have a bunch of big bricks around the corner of your house. So something that I hope that in the future they'll be able to do it slightly smaller. Under accessories, you'll find a bunch of different things like a cloth, some more information, these bits of tape, and also these connectors that they are very similar to other approach from Nanolith and Govee for other products. But one thing that I'm not used to see is a bit of 3DM tape here on the back to basically glue it together. So definitely a different approach in there, but all the rest is basically the same. So when we talk about how easy it is to connect, you'll be able to see that you have 2 different ways of connecting. So if you have the holes, you need to put this size here first. So you just have to press it and put it in, and it will go in, okay? Or if you have like the other 2, you just have to slide in and it will stick in place like this. So now let's just connect them. In this case, I'll say there is 3 because obviously is not really important at this point. Give my password, and I have to say to you guys, it's so cool, and you'll be able to see a little bit closer but it's really, really nice. So now that this is already connected, let's talk a little bit more about what you really can expect. And I have to say, from all the lights that I ever reviewed on this channel, this is the most insane that I ever had. We are talking about a device that have multiple layers, a plastic cover, some elevated LEDs that I showed to you guys, some swappable plates, and a base of LED, so definitely a plus. We are talking about a modular with 12 segments with the triangle adapter or with the square adapter, so definitely a plus. We are talking about face plates that you can replace it, but this design is so insane, I don't see the point to really replace it. And when we talk about build construction, this is at the same level as a Nanoleaf that for me, for a long period of time, was basically the best in build construction. But Govee, with this product and other products they are releasing recently, they are at the same level as a Nanoleaf product. When we talk about technology, you'll find here RGB ICW. So in other words, besides you have the 60 million types of colors, you can control individually through some of the LEDs, the colors, but also through the other LEDs, the type of white, if you want it warmer or cooler. So in other words, you have more control over your colors. When we'll talk about the app, you'll be able to control different types of scenes, and I'll be able to show you some exclusive ones that comes with this one. But unfortunately, you are not able to transfer scenes to Apple HomeKit. So here are some of the different types of designs, exclusive designs that you can do with these lights. So you have the wave heat, layering, phantom, emerald, swing, layering, intersection. Let me know which ones you like the most until now, but I definitely really like the intersection. Fight, I'm not sure if I've seen it before, because they say 8, but I can see here some that I never saw. And flow. When we talk about attaching this device to your wall, no problem whatsoever. You have double tape, and the double tape that Govee normally uses is quite good. I never had any issues whatsoever. The connectors are okay, but there is a problem that I don't like so much that I'll show you in a second. So in other words, you are a bit limited how you want to connect it, and if you are connecting and after you decided, no, I don't want to do it this way, you have to reassemble everything. So have that in mind when you are assembling. Just try to do the design on the floor and after try to push it on the wall, because the adapter just goes in one way, and this part of the connector needs to connect to this side of this little square. So you have to be sure that when you are connected to the rest of the lights, you are putting in the right position, and it's really possible to do that type of design. So definitely a downside on this type of connectors that I don't like so much, something that I was not used to see in other products and even in other brands. One thing that I don't really understand on this design is the fact that yes, you can remove the covers of plastic to reach these raised lights and obviously the plates on the bottom, but you are not able to remove them without removing all the screws. So I really thought that when you have this type of cover, you'll be able to reach the bottom part easily in case that I decided to purchase different type of designs, and imagine during the winter I want a design, but during the summer I want a different one. So something that I think that for a future generation, they can make it all swappable and very easy to change, because in this case it makes not a lot of sense. Overall, when we talk about the design and the look, I'm a big fan, because as you can see, my keyboard is exactly the same colors of this light, so it almost looks like that they've done this to me. It's easy to assemble if you have that in consideration, like I said about the adapters, and overall I simply love it. And I think that Govee have done a massive step up in their products compared to last year, because in the past I used to make a massive comparison between Govee and Nanoleaf, and I always put Nanoleaf a little bit above in quality than Govee, but now they are basically neck to neck, so I definitely like that. Overall, I have to say to you guys that I simply love these lights. It's quite bold and is one of my favorite collabs that I've seen in lights on the market is this one, and I'll say Nanoleaf Expo. And like I said, is super interesting to see more products with Matter in Govee products, because they will allow us to have more options when we talk about smart home. My name is Marco, this is madpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you next week, maybe to talk a little bit more about a situation that you may not see me for a while. If you want to know that and much more, don't miss next week. See you soon.